Okay, so there's all this crazy math here, and you're probably sitting there going, Mrs. Martinez, I can't handle any of this. That's okay. Remember, this is just a tutorial. We're practicing. Okay, remember how I said that there's some tools up here that I wanted to show you? One of these tools is called the answer eliminator. And this is for you so that you know if you find an answer that you know 100% is not correct, you can go ahead and eliminate that answer. So, for example, I know that you cannot add 3/10 and 2/5 together to get 5/15. That's not okay. You cannot add them together. You have to have a common denominator. So this is absolutely wrong, so I can cross that out. Okay. Now, one of the answers is actually, I'm gonna turn that off. One of the answers is actually, did you guys see me do that? Sorry, I didn't show you that. So if I'm on answer eliminator, it's going to constantly be doing that until I go back to the pointer. This is one of the answers. 5/15 is less than 2/5. The total of 5/15 is not reasonable. That is absolutely true. Okay. And to speed things up, I'm going to tell you that the other answer is actually E. C and D are actually wrong. Okay. So anyway, Len walks 7/10 of a mile to get to school. 5/15 is not correct. Anyway, so everybody should have B and E selected. And you'll notice that right here, which two statements are true, is where you find out how many to select. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, using drag and drop. These ones here, you're going to drag them and put them in the right areas. Okay. I'm going to actually just go ahead and skip for a moment down to this bottom part and let you focus on playing with this. So we have even numbers and odd numbers. I hope that we all know the difference between even and odd. 1 is an odd number, so I'm going to move 1 over to odd. 2 is an even number. 3 is an odd number, so I'm going to move that over. And 4 is an even number. So go ahead and put your answers in the correct boxes. All right, let's move on. All right, drag and drop the 3 quadrilaterals into the box. How many did they say? 3. We have to find quadrilaterals. Quad means 4. So anything with 4 sides, we are going to be moving down. Not that one, but this one, yes. Not that one, but this one, yes. This one, yes. And that's got 5, so it's not that one. Here are our choices. Let's go on to the next one. All right. Here is the part where it gets crazy. The answer editor items. Okay, so we've been practicing all year long about writing math problems and explaining, and this is the part where we're going to do it. But we have to use these tools here. Okay, so if we are going to be typing, I can type numbers all I want, but then to do the signs, I have to put in the signs here. Okay, it's the same with putting fractions in there. Okay, so here is a fraction. So if I wanted to put a fraction in, I would click on that. You see I have 2 boxes. So here is for the numerator, and here's the denominator. All right, same if I wanted to make it a mixed number. So if I wanted 1, like each of these parts in 1/2. Okay, that's how I would do that. All right, in a moment, I'm going to go over this next part right here. While we're going to the next video, play with this.